Hello, Assalamualaikum friends. Today we're gonna continue the series of vowels we're learning. So as we all know, vowels are there are 5 vowels: A, E, I, O, U. We have already completed A and E. So if you haven't watched those videos, I insisted you watch it. So today we're gonna talk about I, and I is one of the vowels here, and we're gonna explain the sound of the I mean the sound of I. Here's some examples like bird, igloo, and kill. So the bird you see here, the bird what you are seeing here is that B-I-R-D, bird. And here in bird, I is spelled like this, I, B-I, bird, B-I-R-D, bird. And here in igloo, it's ig, igloo. So we're going here's double O, and these double O should be together. We're spelling double O together. So that's for another video. Here, I sound ig from igloo. So this is about the sound of I, and in some cases you might see that I is spelled by itself. So let's take up a few of these examples: light, right, and fight. So here light, I is spelled by itself. At the same time, we are not spelling G or H, because this GH is connected to I. We're spelling IGH together, making the word I, or the sound I. Sorry, not the word. So here, light, L-I-G-H-T, light. Here, I is spelled by itself because with GH. So when you see these words that have IGH attached to them, don't spell the G or H, spell the I. Spell I by itself. Spell the name of it. I. Light. Light. Right. And it. Fight. So this is you will need to know, because you will see these words multiple times when you are learning English and speaking them, of course. So here are a few more examples: night, fight, high. These are also examples of IGH. Now let's look at a different approach of I. Like, for instance, let's think about your favorite dessert, like pie, P-I-E, pie. So here we're not talking about E. We're not spelling E here. We're only spelling P and I. So what's the E for? So the E is for, so E and I is connected to each other. Because when you see I and each other, you may spell it I. I should be spelled by itself. I should be spelled by itself. So here, pie. This will be the spelling. So we have only 2 sounds here, but 3 letters. So here's a few more examples, like tie, lie, etc. So when you see I and E together, the I should be spelled by itself. So this is, you need to know about I that is mixed or that is connected with other letters. So here's a different approach of it. Another approach of it. Think about the word, let's say bike. Here, bike. And here the E is also not, we are not spelling E. We're also not spelling E this time either. Because when you see this combination of it, see the combination carefully. If you've seen the other videos, you already know why. Because if you see a vowel that is next to a consonant, Again, that consonant and that word ends with E or has an E. So you know the structure. Vowel, consonant, E. So the I should be spelled by itself because that E over here, the E is connected to I. So the word should be spelled like B-I-K, bike. Or like, L-I-K, like. So this I and E are connected to each other, making a complex word. So in some cases this technique might not work because English is complicated. So you may see, when you see I consonant E, think of I spelling by itself, like bike or like, whatever it is, whatever you're going to call it. Make sure you spell the I by itself. So this is all you need to know about I. Okay. So in our next video, we'll be completing the vowel question. So this is all you need to know about I. And I hope this might get rid of a few more of your confusions with spelling. I hope this video might help you, and this is all. I wish you good health. Allah Hafiz.